this time I'll try to fix this speaker. It's a Bose soundlink color. It's in really bad condition. I think it's been dropped a few times. It's also bent around here. I don't know if it's plastic or metal, the case. And it doesn't turn on. But I only paid €3 for it, so maybe it's just a battery disconnected or something like that. I'll open it and see what's inside. How do you open this? Not to break anything. The screws are here. It's not good. How do I take this off without breaking it more? I think I'll try to spray some alcohol inside, maybe it will slip. Yeah, it worked. I don't know if I'll be able to fix this rubber stuff. Anyway, let's see. Oh yeah, this is cracked also. This mesh is bent. And it's really dirty. The problem is they have the screws have like a little pin in the middle of it, so I don't have a torques for that, but I'll try with a straight screwdriver. I think the pin broke, so has like a little pin inside of it. Like this one. So I don't see anything wrong with it. I'll check the battery first, maybe that one is not good. Try with a different battery and go from there. I'll also have to glue this in place. Let's see the speaker first, what's the problem. This is just one battery. I'll have to measure the battery to see if it's any good. Okay, so I charged the battery on a power supply separately and now it's charging. And it also turns on. I think it's in German or something language.
Akkustand Mittel. Akkustand Mittel.
Yeah, I'll let it charge for a while. to fully charge and see if it will work normally, and then I'll clean it and try to put it back together. But I have no idea how to fix this one, and I can't find the replacement one. I will use this stuff to glue the case. I also added some double-sided tape on this one to put it back in place. But the big problem is with this. It's made out of silicone or something like that, and I have no idea how to glue it back in place. I might use some rubber glue after I fit the speaker back together and put this on top. I don't want to do that because it will stick to the case, but I don't think I have another option to glue this in place, and I can't find any of this to buy. So I put it back together, and I also added some paper tape on it, on the places that I will glue it, because I don't want this silicone case to stick to the speaker. But I have no idea what glue to use because I tried a few types of glue and nothing sticks to this silicone. So I'll put this on top and then try some silicone glue. Maybe it will work. I managed to glue this cover in place. I tried glue for rubber, glue for silicone, and none of them work. In the end I had to use super glue. It's not perfect, but it looks a bit better than before. And this silicone cover is really important for the sound, because the case has a lot of holes everywhere, like under here and on top, and this cover will seal it. Without it, it sounds really bad. put this cover back, and it's done. And I also want to change the language from German to English. Sounds good now. And to change the language, I think it's like this.
Deutsch. Halten Sie die Multifunktionstaste gedrückt, um Deutsch.
中文、日本語、한국어、Italiano, Portuguese, Svenska, Nederlands, Ruski, Język polski, English. To select English, press and hold the multifunction button. Connected to Najmany Altals Z Fold 4.
Yeah, now it's in English. It turned out decent enough to use. That's about it with this one.